there is an unwelcome visitor in the state of Nebraska.
A tiny green beetle that has killed millions of ash trees.
The emerald ash borer, an invasive species that came to the country from Asia in 2002, has recently found its way into Nebraska. The Nebraska Forestry Service has done its best to respond.
And because it is an exotic species, our native ash were very susceptible to this pest. The insect has, since it's been discovered, destroyed millions of ash trees throughout the eastern part of the U.S.
The ash borer does its damage by latching onto the trees and burrowing deep inside them, practically suffocating it along the way.
You can see where the insects tunnel underneath the bark and the tunneling that they do. And when they come out of the wood, they make these D-shaped exit holes in the bark, which is fairly distinctive for emerald ash borer.
The economic impact of this little green bug's destruction has been substantial. In Nebraska alone, there will need to be at least $1 billion dedicated to this issue.
In cost of removal and replacement of those trees. And those are the trees that are in our communities, and not to mention the environmental benefits that we lose as part of this effort.
Although it is difficult to stop this insect from destroying ash trees, there are treatments people can look to in order to save specific trees.
Emerald ash borer treatments are successful in treating for emerald ash borer. They're not always going to be, but they have shown pretty good success with treatments.
For Star City News, I'm Zach Penrice reporting.